Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter integration. In last class, we discussed integration of some trigonometric function and how to find the integration of the trigonometric function if it is product of sine, product of cos, and product of sin, and some types of sin x to the m, cos x to the m, etc. Today we are going to discuss tan and cot function. So before that, let's do Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dear students, let's see the today's concept. Type. This is type 1, 2, 3 complete, and this is type 4. Type 4. Okay, so this is type 4. Integration of tan mx to the power mx dx, and this is integration of cot mx dx, where m belongs to n and m greater than 2. Same thing, m belongs to n, m greater than 2. If m is equal to 2, then we can use tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1, then integrate. Procedure, put tan x is equal to t. M may be even, m may be odd. M is even or odd, both pi. M is even or odd. Okay. So put tan x equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So sec square x dx is equal to dt by dx, and dx is equal to what? Dt by sec square x. Okay. So dx is equal to dt by sec square x. What is sec square x? That is dx is equal to dt by tan square x plus 1. This is, so ds is equal to what? So ds is equal to dt by t square plus 1. Okay. So this will be what? T to the power m dt by t square plus 1. Divide, apply division rule. That is quotient by dividend is equal to, dividend by, this is quotient by what? The formula is apply division rule. That is, what is the division rule? Dividend by divisor is equal to quotient plus remainder by divisor. This is the division process. Okay. So this is the division process. Same here procedure. Put here m is also, where m is even or odd. Same thing, procedure, put cot x is equal to t and differentiate, that is minus cosec square x dx is equal to dt. So like this, dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to dt by minus dt by cosec square x. So cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square. So ds is equal to minus dt by cot square, that is cot square x plus 1. cot square x plus 1. So ds is equal to minus dt by t square plus 1. Now this will be what? T to the power m by t square plus 1 dt. Apply division rule. Division rule. Okay. These are the concept of the how to find integration of tan qx, tan 4th x, cot qx, cot 4th x, etc. Now let's see some examples. This is same concept for cot x, cot mx ds, where m is even or odd. Put cot x is equal to, differentiate both sides, and ds is equal to what? Final ds is equal to minus dt by t square. So t to the m by t square plus 1 dt. Minus here. Okay. So minus here. So and apply division formula. Now let's see some questions related to this concept. Examples. This is integration of, suppose, tan 5th x dx. So put tan x is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. So sec square x is equal to dt by dx. So dx is equal to what? Dt by sec square x. So dx is equal to dt by sec square x means tan square x plus 1. So ds is equal to dt by t square plus 1. Now apply this. So we will get, this is t to the power 5 dt by t square plus 1. Now apply division formula. Since the power of numerator is greater than the power of denominator, t5 divided by t square plus 1. So this is tq, t5 plus tq, minus this is minus tq, and here minus t, and minus tq, this is minus t. So plus what will be here? That is cancel here tq and remaining here t. Okay, t 5th plus tq, this goes cancel, this cancel, and remaining here minus tq. So t square here minus t, minus tq, minus t, minus tq plus to cancel, here it is t. So apply quotient. This is quotient means tq minus t. Remainder, what is remainder? Remainder is what? T plus t, divide by divisor. This is divisor, divide by t square plus 1 integration dt. Okay, this is rough work, and this will be what? This will be t integration of tq minus t into dt, integration of t divided by t square plus 1 dt. Okay, we know what is the formula for, f dash x by f of x ds. This is very important formula, and its application is many more applications, and many problems can be solved using this formula, and this will be arise in following steps. Maximum this case will be arise. So this is f dash x by fx is equal to what? Log fx plus c. This is formula. So what is here? Derivative of t square plus 1. Derivative of t square plus 1 means 2t. numerator कौन अच्छे t अच्छे. So into 2 by 2 कले ये formula पहुँच जीवो. That is t 4th by t minus t square by 2 and 1 by 2. This is 2t by t square plus 1 dt. Okay. So this is equal to what? This is equal to t 4th by 4 minus t square by 2 plus 1 by 2 into log of t square plus 1 plus c. Now what is t here? T is equal to 10x. So the answer will be 10 fourth x by 4 minus 10 square x by 2 plus what? Plus 1 by 2 into log of 10 square x plus 1 plus c, or this can be written as what? 10 fourth x. This can be written as what? 10 fourth x, and this can be, the final answer will be what? 10 fourth x minus by 4 here, 10 square x by 2 here, and 1 by 2 log of 1 plus 10 square x means sec square x. So plus c, or also we can write 10 fourth x by 4 minus 10 square x by 2, and this is 1 by 2 into 2 log sec x. 2 to cancel plus c. So answer will be 10 fourth x by 4 minus 10 square x by 2. This is log of sec x plus c. This is the answer of this question. Now we can consider. Now this is example of 10, and now example of cot. Second example, this is example 1, this is example 1, example 2. So example 2 is integration of cot 6x dx. Same process. This is same process. Put cot x is equal to t, differentiate both sides with respect to x. So minus cosec square x dx is cosec square x dt by dx. So dx is equal to what? Dt by minus cosec square. So minus right here cosec square x. Okay. So dx is equal to what? Dx is equal to minus dt by cot square x plus 1. So ds is equal to minus dt by t square plus 1. This will be what? This will be integration cot 6x dx here. So integration of t to the power at 6, and this is minus here dt by t square plus 1. Apply division formula. So division formula, apply division formula, that is t6 by t square plus 1. Okay. So this is t6 by t square plus 1. This is rough work. Suppose t square plus 1 division by what? Divided by, this is t6 divided by t square plus 1. So this is what? t4 t6 and t4 minus t4 minus what? T square minus t4 minus t square. So this will plus and this will plus, cancel here, this cancel here. So this is t square. Okay. So plus 1. So this is t square, right? T square plus 1 plus what? 1. So this is equal to minus and this is minus, right? This goes cancel. So minus 1 is the remainder. So this will be what? t4th quotient t4th minus t square plus 1 dt, and remainder is minus 1 by t square plus 1 dt. So this is equal to t5 by 5 t cube by 3 integration t. This is tan inverse t. So plus c. Put t equal to what? T is equal to cot x. Cot 5x by 5 cot cube x by 3 plus cot x, and this cot m tan inverse minus t. This can be what? We will write here another formula, minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt is equal to what? Cot inverse t. Okay. This is cot in minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt. This is cot inverse t. We can write here cot inverse t also. Okay, this can be also write here. This can be also write minus of, what is integration of 1 by 1 plus t square is equal to tan inverse t or minus cot inverse t plus c. So this is equal to what? Plus cot inverse t plus c. Okay, we can write dt by 1 by, this is dt by 1 plus t square is equal to tan inverse t or minus cot inverse t. So put here, so since it is in terms of cot, so use cot formula. Cot inverse of, this is cot x plus cot inverse of cot x, okay, plus c. This is equal to cot 5 x by 5 minus cot q x by 3 plus cot x, cot of cot inverse x plus x plus c. This is the final answer of the cot into x. Okay, now this is integration of tan x cot x to the any power is calculated and integrated. Now type 5, integration of sec mx dx, integration of cosec mx dx, that is here case 1, if m is even integer, m belongs to n, okay, and m greater than, suppose 2, m greater than 2. If m is 2, then we know integration of sec square x is equal to tan x. So m greater than 2, we have to procedure here right or power, this can be sec integration of sec, this is m, procedure separate this sec x to the power what, m minus 2 into sec square x, power 2 plus 2 minus remain same, so and dx, and here the term, this term we convert into, this is step 1, this is step 1, this is step 1, step 2 convert, this is sec square form, so sec square x to the power at m minus 2 by 2 to balance this sec square m minus 2 by 2, and this is sec square x dx, and step 3 use sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x, and then put tan x is equal to t, then put tan x equal to so this is what, this is equal to 1 plus tan square x to the power m minus 2 by 2, and this is sec square x dx. So this is what, this will be what, derivative, this is 1 plus t square to the power m minus 2 to the power m minus 2 into sec square x dx means what, dt, and integrate like this. Similarly, same process, case 1, if m is even integer, m belongs to n and m greater than 2, same thinking. Step 1 convert this like cosec square, right? We can write cosec square, cosec x to the power m minus 2 into cosec square x dx. Okay, so step 2 write in this cosec square form, this is cosec square x to the power m minus 2 by 2, and this is cosec square x dx. So write this term here. Step 3, use cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x and put cot x is equal to t. This is the procedure. Okay, then what is the problem? If number 2, if m is case 2, if m is odd, then this can be integrated by using by parts in lateral. Case 2 for both, this is case 2. Okay, so this is case 2, this is case 1. For case 2, that is case 2, if m is odd integer, m belongs to n, m greater than, that is 3, m greater than 2, then say integration of sec mx and integration of cosec mx dx can be integrated using by parts, which will be learn later on. Okay, if m is odd integer, then this can be done using by parts. Now example of this type 5. Now example integration of, suppose integration of sec 4th x dx, same thing. So what is the process? Suppose you can here sec 6x. Okay, sec 4th, sec 6, sec 6x, 8x, even power. So this is procedure example, and this is example. So first we have to bring sec square x nearer to the dx. This is sec square x. Okay, bring separate a sec square x towards dx. So it is here sec 4th x dx. This is the step 1. And what is step 2? This is writes tan square x form. So this is sec square x whole square into sec square x dx. So write this is 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x whole square, and this is what? Sec square x and dx here. Now put tan x is equal to t. Okay, so put tan x is equal to t and differentiate with respect to x. So what will be here? This is equal to sec square x dt by dx. So sec square x ds is equal to what? Sec square x ds is equal to dt. So this is equal to what? This is 1 plus integration 1 plus t square whole square, and this is dt. Now use a plus b whole square. This is a square means 1 square 1, and t square means t fourth plus 2t square into dt. So this is equal to dt instead t. This is t 5 by 5 2 into t cube by 3 plus c. What is t here? t is equal to what? 10x. So 10x plus 10 fifth x by 5, and this is 2 by 3 10 cube x plus c. This is the answer. Now similarly in case of cosec, integration of cosec x, suppose you are given cosec 4th x dx, same process. Write a cosec square x ds nearer to the dx, cosec square x nearer to ds, but it is power 4, so remaining 2 here. Now this is step 1, and convert cosec square x in terms of cot square, 1 plus cot square. So 1 plus cot square x into dx, this is cosec square x into dx. Put cot x is equal to t, so differentiate it. What is derivative of cot x? Minus cosec square x dx is equal to dt. So cosec square x ds is equal to minus dt. So this will be what? This will be 1 plus cot square x, means 1 plus t square, and this is what? Minus dt. So minus dt, minus take out, minus dt. So this is equal to what? This is equal to dt t, and here minus t, and this is what? Plus t cube by 3 plus c. Okay, so t means what? T is equal to cot x. So minus here, minus cot x plus cot qx by 3 plus c. This is answer. Okay, 1 plus cot square means 1 plus t square, and cosec square x ds means what? Minus dt. Take minus as common outside, and this is dt integration t. This is integration of t square, t cube by 3, and put value of what is t? Cot x. Put t equal to cot x. Now type 6, integration of type 6. So integration of what? Integration of sin mx into cos nx dx, where mn belongs to mn greater than what? Mn greater than 1. Case 1, if both the powers m and n, that is powers of cosine and powers of cos, power of sin x and cos x are odd, then procedure put the function is equal to t, which having higher power. This is case number 1, and case number 2, if one of the power is even and one of the power is odd, then put t is equal to the function having even power. Case 3, if both the powers both the powers are even, then this is procedure, this is procedure, and this is procedure. We have to use multiple angle formula. We have to use multiple angle formula, that is sin square is equal to sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay, these are the three cases of type 6. If first case, if we have both the power having odd power, sin x and cos x having odd powers. Okay, now let's see the problems related to type 6. Let's see the problems related to type 6. Now example of type 6, case 1. Example of type 6 is example of type 6 case 1. Example of type 6 case 1. Integration of sin 5th x into cos 3x dx. Both powers are odd. So highest power is what? 5. So which contains highest power? Sin contains highest power. So put sin x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Cos x dt by dx. Cos x ds is equal to dt. तो आमको दरकार dx पाखे गोटे cos x दरकार. तो sin square x, this is sin 5th x and this is cos square x and this is cos x dx. This is required. So and cos square we put here sin x equal to t, but here is cos square x. So cos square should be in terms of sin square. So this is equal to what? This is equal to sin 5th x into 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx. So this is dt and this is t5 and this is 1 minus t square and this is dt. Okay, now this will be what? This will be t5 minus t7 into dt. So this is equal to t6 by 6 minus t8 by 8 plus c. What is t? T means here sin 6x by 6 sin 8x by 8 plus c. This is answer of example of type 6. Example of type 6 case 1. Okay, now example of type 6 case 2. Now example of type 6 case 2. Let's see the example of type 6 case 2. Example of type 6 and case 2. Example of type 6 and case 2. Case 2. Integration of suppose this is sin 8x into cos q x dx. Here one power is even, one power is odd. So even power to t neba. Even power अच्छी sin x contains even power. Put sin x is equal to t. The function having if there is one of the power is even and one is odd, then put t is equal to function which having even power. So sin x having even power. So I put sin x is equal to t. Put sin x is equal to t. Differentiate. So with respect to x, so cos x is equal to dt by dx. Okay, cos x ds is equal to dt. So here one cos x is required near to the dx. So we can sin 8x, this is cos square x, and bring a cos to the near, bring a cos to the near of the dx. So this is cos x dx. Since we put sin x equal to here cos square x present, so cos square x should be written in the form of sin square. So this is equal to what? Sin 8x, and this is 1 minus sin square x, and this is cos x into dx. So this will be what? T8 1 minus t square into dt. Now multiply this. This is equal to t to the power 8 minus t to the power 10 into dt. Clear? So this is equal to what? T to the power 9 by 9 and t to the power 11 by 11 plus c. What is t? T means sin x. So sin 9x by 9 minus sin 11x by 11 plus c. This is example of type of 6 case 2. Okay, then next we will show example of type 6 case 3. Type 6 case 3, that is we can type 6 case 3, both power contains even, sin x power contains even, cos x power even contains even. So integration of, suppose sin 4th x into cos square x dx, both powers are even. Okay, so we have to convert into multiple angle formula. Okay, both powers are even, so we have to use sin square x is equal, this is equal to sin square x whole square cos square x into ds. Since both powers are even, so the multiple angle formula is applied here. This is what? This is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2, okay, whole square, and this is 1 plus cos 2x by 2 and dx. Okay, now this is equal to what? 1 minus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x, that is, so this can be, we can here applied, that is 1 by 4 here. So 1 plus cos 2x minus 2 cos 2x into what? Divide by 4 into 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. So this is equal to 1 by 8 and multiply by 1 plus cos 2x, then cos square 2x plus cos q 2x, then minus 2 cos 2x, and this is minus 2 cos square 2x by 8, 4 into 2 8, so 1 by 8 take common. Check again, it is 1 minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a formula, and this is remain as it. Multiply 1 cos 2x, then cos square 2x into 1 cos square 2x, cos square 2x into cos q 2x, this is cos q 2x, right? So 1 and 1 cos 2x, then cos square 2x, and this is cos q 2x, okay, cos q 2x, then minus 2 cos 2x, and this is minus 2 cos square 2x. So after simplification 1 by 8 1 plus this is by 4 here. Okay, this is cos 2 1 here, cos 2x, and this is minus cos 2x. Okay, so it will be what? Minus cos 2x. Then cos square 2x, and this is minus 2 cos square 2x. So this will be what? Minus cos square 2x. Okay, then this is over. Then cos q 2x, right, into dx. So look, again check here, 1 cos 2x minus 2 cos x. So minus cos 2x, then cos q 2x minus 2 cos square 2x. So minus cos square 2x. Now cos q 2x. Now this is also multiple angle formula, and this is cos q theta formula. What is cos q theta? Cos q theta is equal to 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta divided by 4. Use for this formula, cos q. So this will be what? This will be from last step. This is equal to what? 1 by 8 integration 1 minus cos 2x, and this is minus 1 plus cos 2 theta, means cos 4x by 2, and plus cos q theta. This is cos q theta means 3 cos theta. 3 cos theta means 2x. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta. 3 into 2x, that is 6x by 4 into dx. Now taking LCM. 1 cos 2x, cos square 2x, and this is cos q 2x. Correct? So this is equal to what? So here this is 1 by 8. Okay, 1 by 8, and integration of dx x, and integration of cos 2x. If simplify it, this is simplify, then final integrate. This is 1 minus what? LCM what? LCM will be 4. So this is 4, and this is 4 cos 2x, and this is what? 2 minus 2 cos 4x, and this is what? 3 cos 2x, and 6 this is cos 6x dx bracket. Okay, so this is 1 by 32, and this is equal to 1 by 32 integration 4, and this is 2. 4 minus 2, this is equal to 2, and minus 4 cos 2x, and minus 2 cos 3 cos 2x, minus 4 cos 2x, 3 cos 2x. So minus cos 2x. Okay, and this is minus 2 cos 4x, and this is what? This is equal to cos 6x whole dx. Okay, check again. LCM 4, this is 4 minus 4 cos 2x, this is 2, so 2 minus 2 cos x, and 3 cos 2x. This is correct. So 1 by 32, this is equal to what? 1 by 32 integration of 2 means 2 ds means 2x, 1 by 2, this is sin 2x, minus 2 into 1 by 2, this is sin 4x, and this is equal to 1 by 6 sin 6x plus c. So 2 here cancel, So this is 1 by 4, sorry, this is 1 by 4, so this is 2 cancel here, so 1 by 32, 2x minus 1 by 2 sin 2x minus 1 by 2 what, sin 4x plus 1 by 6 sin 6x plus c. This is case type 6, case number 3. Now type 7. Now type 7. So type 7 is what? Sec mx tan nx cosec mx cot nx. Case 1. If m is, this is m, n belongs to n, m n greater than 1. Okay, so m is even. Okay, and n may be even or odd. N may be even or odd. Procedure separate sec square x to nearer to dx. So this is sec m minus 2x into tan nx into sec square x dx, and write this term, write this term in terms of sec square x. This is m minus 2 by 2 tan nx into sec square x dx, and use here sec square x equal to what? This term is equal to 1 plus tan square x. 1 plus tan square x to the power m minus 1 2 by 2 and tan nx into sec square x dx. Then put what? Tan x is equal to t. Same process. If here case 1, this is if m is even, this is m n belongs to n, m n greater than 1. So m is even and n may be even or odd. Here m is even, n may be even or odd. Same procedure. Okay, procedure. Cosec m minus 2x cot nx into cos square x ds, and this term is also written as, this is cos square form, cos square x whole to the power m minus 2 by 2, cancel 2, so balancing here. So this is cot nx into cos square x dx. Okay, use this 1 plus cot square x whole to the power m minus 2 by 2 cot x into cos square x dx. Then put cot x is equal to t. Okay, this is case number 1. Now case number 2. Case number 2. Case number 2. Case number 2. Case 2. If power of sec, if m is odd, that is power of sec x is odd. First case, power of sec x is even. Okay, second case, power of sec x is odd, and this will be also odd, and n is also odd, that is power of sec x and power of tan x both are odd. So separate one sec. This is procedure. It sec m minus 1 x into what? 10 m minus 1 into x. 10 n minus 1 into x. Then okay, this is equal to what? And this is equal to sec m minus x 10, and this is equal to sec x into 10x into dx. Okay, finally put sec x is equal to t. Put sec x equal to t. Okay, then here case 2, same process. If m is, that is odd, n is also odd, n is also odd. So same process, procedure sec, here cosec m minus 1x cot m minus 1x cosec x into cot x dx. Put cosec x is equal to t. Note, if this is sec mx into 10 nx dx and cosec mx cot nx cannot be integrate if m is odd and n is even. So this is case 2, and this is, and if n is odd, n is even, power of sec is odd, power of 10x is even, or power of cosec x odd, power of cot x even, then integration not possible. Now let's see example of type 7. Example of type 7. Okay, so example of type 7. Let's see the example of type 7. Example of type 7. Now example of type 7, this is case 1, sec 4th x into 10qx dx suppose. So even power of sec x present, so put 10x equal to t. So even power of sec x present, even power of sec x present, so put 10x is equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x, sec square x is equal to dt by dx. So sec square x ds is equal to dt. So one here sec 4th x, so sec square x ds pakku nei jote. So this will be what? Sec square x into 10qx into sec square x ds. Eta gote term hele ta value dt hijibo. So and what is here? 10x equal t. So right where sec square x means what? 1 plus 10 square x into 10qx into sec square x dx. Okay, so this is equal to 1 plus t square into tq into dt. So this is equal to tq plus t5 into dt. So this is equal to what? t4 by 4 t6 by 6 plus c. So t4 means what? T means 10. So 10 4th x by 4 plus 10 6x by 4 plus c. This is answer. Similarly we can do for cosec. Okay, similarly we can do for cosec. Similarly, we can do cosec. This is even and this is odd. Or we can do another example. This is example 1, and another example. Suppose sec 4th x, and this is also even, and this is also even, tan square x. Same. Suppose this is sec 6. Okay. Power of sec and power of tan both are even. So if power of sec x is even, then put tan x equal to t. This is the rule. If power of sec x is even, then put tan x is equal to t. Same thing. Put tan x is equal to t. Differentiate sec square x dt by dx. So this is equal to what? Sec square x dx is equal to dt. तो गोटे सेक स्क्वायर आप पाखु ना पड़ो ये हम sec 4th x into tan square x into what sec square x dx. एवं यहाँ को sec square करियो पड़ो. तो sec square माने कौन 1 plus tan square x whole square into tan square x into sec square x dx. So this is equal to what? 1 plus t square whole square t square into dt. Okay. So this is equal to 1 plus t 4th plus 2t square into t square into dt. Clear? So this is t square t 6 and this is 2t 4th into dt. So this is equal to what? T cube by 3 t 5 7 by 7 to t 5 by 5 plus c. So this is equal to tan cube x by 3 tan 7 x by 7 plus 2 by 5 tan 5th x plus c. This is answer. Okay, this is even. Similarly, we can do cosec and cot. Okay, now another question. I am repeated again once again because this factor, this portion is not visible. So this is okay, sec square, this is not visible, so I am repeated the portion here. 1 plus t square whole square t square, 1 plus t square whole square this and t square this. Okay, these are the concept. Then this is 1 plus t square 1 plus t square multiply, then t cube by 3 t 7 by 7 2 by 5, then t 5 by 5 plus c, and put t equal to 10x. Now another question based on odd power. Another question based on odd power. Now the power of sec is odd and power of tan is odd. Both are odd. Integration example. Integration of sec ux integration. Suppose tan 5th x. Here both powers are odd. So put sec x equal to t. Put sec x is equal to t. If power of sec is even, then put tan x equal to t. If power of sec is odd, then also if the power of tan x is odd, then put sec x equal to t. So differentiate with respect to x. So sec x into tan x is equal to dt by dx. Okay, so sec x into tan x dx is equal to dt. Separate one sec one tan from this and this. So this is equal to integration what? Integration sec square x tan 4th x sec x into tan x into dx. So and sec x equal to t, so convert the tan in terms of sec. So sec square x, this is tan square x whole square, and this is sec x into tan x dx. So this is equal to what? Sec square x, this is sec square x minus 1 whole square sec x into tan x dx. Okay, sec x into tan x dx. and this is equal to what? T square minus 1 whole square, and this is dt. Now expand this is equal to t square and t fourth plus 1 minus 2t square into dt. So multiply this is equal to what? This is equal to integration t6 plus t square minus t4 minus 2t4 into dt. So this is equal to t7 by 7 plus t cube by 3 plus 2 into t to the 5 by 5 plus c. What is t here? Sec x. So this is sec 7x by 7 plus sec cube x by 3 minus 2 sec 5th x by 5 plus c. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Now these are the problems of the integration of some trigonometric functions. Today's the main concept we have to remember. If power of sec x is main concept, that is main concept. If power of sec ax is even, then put tan x is equal to t. If power of sec x is odd and then power of tan x is also odd, then put sec x equal to t. This is the main two concept. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day.